Dear students, welcome to today's class. So today I am going to explain a very important problems from the chapter functions under the heading functional equations. So yesterday I have given some models of how to solve the functional equations. Okay now. So basing on this, so I am going to explain some problems. The first problem itself it was asked in 2020 JEE mains examination. So very easy problems these are. Just if you yesterday's class, if you go through the yesterday's class, the problems are very easy, right? See the first problem. If f of x plus y is equal to f of x times f of y and sigma x runs from 1 to infinity f of x is equal to 2, where x and y are belongs to set of natural numbers, then the value of f of 4 upon f of 2. So by seeing these problems, everybody get tension. Okay now. So no need of get tension. Yesterday I have given some 5 or 6 model problems. If this type of equations are given, then how to take. For example, you see here, this is the condition of the, we call it as functional equation. F of x plus y is equal to f of x times f of y. Yesterday I have given f of x plus y is equal to f of x times f of y. Then f of x is equal to a power x. This f of x is equal to a power x is the solution of this functional equation. Why? So if you consider this f of x is equal to a power x satisfies this equation. So a power x plus y is equal to a power x into a power y. Very easy one, right? Now immediately if it is given, so we can take it as f of x is equal to a power x. Now how to find out a value? To find out the a value, so one hint is given, that is sigma x runs from 1 to infinity, f of x is equal to 2. So that is equal to sigma x runs from 1 to infinity, f of x is equal to a power x, that is equal to 2. Right, x value runs from 1 to infinity. Therefore, this is a plus a square plus a cube plus so on, infinity is equal to 2. So obviously, so it is an infinite geometric progression. Okay now, right. So what is infinite geometric progression? Sum to infinity formula, a by 1 minus r. That is a by 1 minus r is equal to 2. Okay, now if you find out the value, a is equal to 2 minus 2a, therefore a is equal to 3a, so 3a by, so that means 2 by 3. So your a value is equal to how much? 2 upon 3, right? So what is ultimately, what is your function? F of x is equal to a power x, that is equal to 2 upon 3 whole power x. Over, you got your function. Now what is asked to find out? F of 4 upon f of 4 upon f of 2. So f of 4 means how much? So that is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 4 upon 2 by 3 whole square. That is 2 by 3 whole square. That is 4 upon 9. Understand this? So 4 upon 9 is your final answer. So by seeing this type of problems, so don't immediately, this is a direct problem, direct to formula problem. Whenever it is given f of x plus y is equal to f of x times f of y, immediately you have to take that f of x is equal to a power x, where a is a positive real number. Understand? Right. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. If f is a real function satisfying the relation f of x plus y is equal to f of x times f of y. So whenever you see this condition, f of x plus y is equal to f of x times f of y for all x comma y, and f of 1 is equal to 2 is also given, and a is a natural number for which sigma k runs from 1 to n, f of a plus k is equal to 16 times 2 power n minus 1. Then what is the value of a? So by seeing these problems, don't get tension. Okay now. So just be cool. Here one condition is given. What is that condition? F of x plus y is equal to f of x times f of y. So immediately what you will write? F of x is equal to a power x. Understand? But here remember that here you can write down a power x, where a is a positive real number here. But already here one a is given in the problem. Understand, it is already given A in the problem. Then this A and this A both are different. That's why to make it a difference, so let us take it as a K. That is the only thing you remember. Understand? So f of x is equal, generally we will take a power x, but it is given A here. We have to find out this A value. Where f of a plus k, no, that A value you have to find out, not this A value. That's why to make the clarity, we will take f of x is equal to k power x. Okay. So to find out this k value, it is given f of 1 is equal to 2. So that is equal to f of 1 is equal to k power 1, that is given 2. Therefore, k is equal to 2. So what is our function? F of x is equal to 2 power x, that is given. Understand this? Now take this condition now. What is that condition? Sigma k runs from 1 to n f of a plus k. That means if f of x value is 2 power x, then f of a plus k means wherever x is there, a plus k will come. So that is 2 power a plus k is equal to 16 times 2 power n minus 1. Okay. Now k, this 2 power a plus k, we can write it as a sigma run to n 2 power n into 2 power a into 2 power k. Why? A power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. So this is obviously 16 times 2 power n minus 1. Here the variable is k, not a. A is a constant. That's why you can take 2 power a common outside. If you can take, so k 2 power k is equal to 16 times 2 power n minus 1. So this is 2 power a into, now expand this, open this sigma, k runs from 1 to n. That is 2 power 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus so on 2 power n, that is equal to 16 times 2 power n minus 1. So this is equal to 2 power a into, so this is a geometric progression with the first term 2 and a common ratio 2, number of terms are n. So the formula is a geometric progression formula, Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. A value is 2. 2 into 2 power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 is equal to 16 times 2 power n minus 1. So everything is over. So here 2 minus 1 is, okay, we can cancel. 2 power n minus 1, 2 power n minus 1, we can cancel. So 2 power a is equal to, so here 2 power 1 is also there. 2 power a is equal to 8. If you 2 goes that side, is 16 by 2, 8. Therefore, 2 power a is equal to 8, a is equal to 3. Therefore, 3 is your answer. Such an easy problem this is. So just by seeing, the students will get a very good tension they will get. But the thing is, you have to remember that f of x is equal to here. Why you are taking k power x is, already a is there here. In the problem already it is there. That should be somewhat careful in this problem. Already a is there. We have to find out that a value. Generally students, what they think, no. So immediately they will take that a power x. Therefore we will get a is equal to 2. Therefore answer is also there 2. They will write down the a is equal to 2. That is wrong. Understand this? So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Welcome to third problem. So the third problem is, if f of x times f of 1 upon x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 upon x for all x belongs to real numbers except 0, where f of x is a polynomial function and it is given f of 5 is equal to 126, then the value of f of 3. So options are also readily available, right? So whenever this type of functional equation is given, so it is already ready-made functional equation. So immediately, yesterday's class I have explained this type of all 5-6 models I have explained. Just to go through this, whenever it is given, so f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x power n. 1 plus or minus x power n. So remember that here f of x should be a polynomial equation. Then only this condition will satisfy. If it is not a polynomial, definitely this condition won't satisfy. That means 1 plus or minus x power n means that n is a natural number. Understand this? Right. So it is given f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x power n. So to find out the n value, it is given one condition, f of 5 is equal to 126. So that is equal to f of 5 is equal to 1 plus or minus x power, 5 power n is equal to 126. From this plus or minus 5 power n is equal to 125. Now here two cases arise. What is that? 5 power n is equal to 125 minus 5 power is equal to 125. Which will be the correct? Already I told that n is a natural number. Why? Because f of x is a polynomial function. It is already a polynomial function. N cannot be a fraction or rational number or irrational number. It should be either 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4, so on infinity, right? So here that's why this cannot be possible. Why? 5 power n is equal to 125, even though if you put n is equal to 3, the first equation will be satisfied. 5 cube is equal to 125, but here if you substitute n is equal to 3, minus 125 is equal to plus 125. Therefore, it cannot be satisfied. So therefore, n is equal to how much? 3. So therefore, your equation is, so f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x cube. 1 plus or minus x cube. Understand this? Now he is asked to find out f of 3. Right? So your f of 3 is equal to 1 plus or minus x cube. That means x means how much? Here x power n. N value is 3. Therefore, he is asked to find out f of 3. F of 3 means what here? 3 cube. 3. N value is 3. X power n. Right? Now, so this is equal to f of 3 is equal to 1 plus or minus 27. So your f of 3 is equal to either 1 plus 27, either 28 or minus 26. 28 or minus 26. So clearly your answer is 28 is your right answer. Okay now. So very easy answer. So this is a direct problem. Now we are going to see there are certain problems which we cannot directly, they are not directly formula based problems. Just by observation we have to guess the answer. Just by observation we have to follow the problem. So let us see those type of problems. Okay now. Welcome to this fourth problem. Here it is given that if for non-zero x, 2 times f of x square plus 3 times f of 1 upon x square is equal to x square minus 1, then the value of f of x square is. So such type of problems are also very easy. So 2 times f of x square plus 3 times f of 1 upon x square is equal to x square minus 1. Call it as equation number 1. We want f of x square. That means we don't want f of 1 by x square. We don't want to f of n by square. This type of problems always remember, in place of x square, f of 1 by x square should come. In place of 1 by x square should come. This is possible whenever if you replace x square with 1 by x square. All x with 1 by x with x plus 1, x with x minus 1. So that you will automatically you will get answer idea. F of x square means f of 1 by x square means in place these two will be replaced, so that after subtraction f of 1 by x square will go. So that for that just you replace this. So what happens? 2 times f of 1 upon x square plus 3 times f of x square is equal to, this is 1 by x square minus 1, right? So just like it is a linear equations. In linear equations we got no. So like that, so we had this is called, it is x and y. So 2x plus 3y. This is a 2x plus 3y. Then what you have to do? So we have to remove this 3 times f of x square. This is 2 times f of 1 by x square. So we have to make the coefficients equal. So here 3 is there, 2 is there. How to make the coefficients equal? So multiply the first equation with 2. So what happens? You see, multiply with 2. So this is 4 times f of x square plus 6 times f of 1 by x square is equal to 2x square minus 2. Okay na? Right. Second equation multiply with 3. multiply with 3, this is equal to 6 f of 1 by x square plus 3 3s are 9 f of 1 by x square is equal to 3 upon x square minus 3, call it as fourth equation, or that is third equation. And this is now subtract. Automatically you will get that if you subtract here, plus 6 times f of x square, 6 times f of x will get cancelled, 9 times f of x square, 4 times f of x square means 5 times f of x square. First you are write down 3 upon x square minus 3 minus 2x square plus 2. Right, obviously you can get from this after simplification, you simplify this, take that 5 to right hand side, you will get the answer. So, but the thing is, the only thing is here, this is just by observation method. Just yesterday I have given some 5 or 6 formulas. No, from that formulas you cannot solve these problems. Just by observation, by x in place of x square, 1 by x square should come, 1 by in place of 1 by x square should come. Then so that f of 1 by x gets cancelled, we got f of x square. Okay, na? It's a very, very nice problem. Sir, how we will get this type of ideas, sir? Means if you do number of problems, if you do the number of problems, the automatically the idea will strike to you. Automatically the idea will get. Okay, no, don't worry about this. Okay, so I hope that you understand these solutions. Let us go for next problem. So dear students, welcome to this fifth problem. If g of x times g of y is equal to g of x plus g of y plus g of x into y minus 2 for all x comma y, and g of 2 is equal to 5, then find g of x. Ultimately we have to find out g of x if it is given to be a polynomial. G of x is a polynomial, right? So this is a problem which is both observation and formula type. See here, first of all, this problem is g of x into g of y is equal to g of x plus g of y. We have a formula. So what is that formula is, if f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x, then f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x power n. So this is the formula we have. If f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x, then f of x is a 1 plus or minus x power n, where f of x is a polynomial. That formula we have. But if you observe here, of course that is f, but it is in g. G of x into g of y is equal to, forget about, sometimes you forget about this, g of x plus g of y. G of x into g of y, f of x into f of 1 by x, f of x plus f of 1 by x, g of x plus g of x. Up to here, what do you observe here? Can we change it into that formula? Can we change it into that formula? Yes, obviously we can change. How? By putting y is equal to 1 by x. Just y, x and they are all just variables. We can put whatever may be that way. Y is equal to 1 by x. Just then what happens, you see here. G of x into g of 1 by x is equal to g of x plus g of 1 by x plus, if you substitute wherever y is equal to 1 by x, y is equal to 1 by x, x gets cancelled, g of 1 minus 2. Okay, now, right. If you observe up to here, it is in the formula type. Up to here, this is in the formula type, that formula. G of x into g of 1 by x is equal to g of x plus g of 1 by x. Additional, this is the headache for us, g of 1 minus 2. G of 1 minus 2. If you know the value of g of 1, the problem will be solved. So then how to find out g of 1 value? Okay, now, so for to get the g of 1 value, what you have to substitute here? It is already given g of 2 is equal to 5. G of 2 is equal to 5, it is given already. To get that, first you substitute here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, you substitute. Then what happens, you see here, g of 1. So our aim is to find out g of 1 value. Okay, now, g of 1 times g of 2 is equal to g of 1 plus g of 2 plus g of 2 minus 2, that is 1 into 2, 2, right. So, this is a g of 1 into g of 2 value, it is already given 5. So, this is a g of 1 we do not know, plus g of 2 plus g of 2, already g of 2 value already given 5 plus 5, 10, 10 minus 2, 8. Okay, this is a 5 times g of 1, this is a g of 1, if it is come 4 times g of 1. So, that is equal to 8, g of 1 is equal to 2, therefore, g of minus 2 is equal to 0, this value will become 0. G of 1 minus 2 value is 0. You may get one doubt, sir, why you substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. If you substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, also that is easy. G of 1, g of 1. Again g of 1, g of 1, g of 1, all will become g of 1, we can solve g of 1. But the thing is here, g of 1 into g of 1 is how much? G of 1 whole square. G of 1 whole square means what? So, again you will get g of 1, two values you will get. You will get a quadratic equation in g of 1 and that is a very headache. Again I have to check whether which is a correct one, which case will failed. To avoid that only he has given g of 2 value. G of 2 value is given 5. So, that is why if you substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So, this is a g of 2 is equal to 5, directly we will get g of 1 value. So, luckily g of 1 minus 2 value is 0. Therefore, up to here we can take g of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x power n. Understand this? So, g of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x power n. Clear? So, for that it is given that g of 2 is equal to 5. Once again we will use that. So, this is equal to g of 2 is equal to 1 plus or minus 2 power n is equal to 5. Clearly n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. Why? So, if you take n is equal to 2. N is equal to y, 2 square 4, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. For any number you want to get for 5. Therefore, that means your second case will fail. That is why. So, what is your g of x is equal to? So, what is our n value? 2. That is 1 plus or minus x square. So, this will be your function. Then find g of x. G of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x square. Understand this? So, this is a problem both observation and formula. Observation and formula. First, the observation is whenever we are taking product of two functions is equal to sum of two functions, like that it is given. So, immediately how to get that? Put y is equal to 1 by x. Yes, we got that format. But additional this is there, g of 1 minus 2. Then how to find out g of 1 value? So, we would get the idea and we got the answer. Understand? So, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to next problem. If f of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equal to 3 times f of x into f of y for all x comma y, and f of 0 is not equal to 0, then prove that f of x is an even function. Yes, first of all, what is an even function? If f of x minus x is equal to f of x, then f of x is an even function for all x belongs to the domain of that given function. So, f of minus x is equal to f of x. Ultimately, what you have to prove means f of x is equal to f of minus x is equal to f of x, that you have to prove. Then how to proceed this type of problems? It is neither any formula, any type of formula it is there. Just by observation we can prove that. So, just I will put first of all put x is equal to 0. Let us see what happens. Put x is equal to 0. So, this is equal to f of x plus f of y. So, this is f of y. So, put 0. That means f of minus y is equal to 3 times f of 0 into f of y. Happy. F of y plus f of minus y is equal to 3 times f of 0 into f of y. We want f of x and f of minus x. Of course, here our definition is in x. but the problem is in y, don't worry, and at the end we will convert it into x. We want the value of f of 0. If you know the value of f of 0, the problem almost solved. To get f of 0, what happened? What have to get? Very easy. How to get f of 0 value? So if you substitute x is equal to y is equal to 0, we will get f of 0 value. Now substitute f is equal to x is equal to y is equal to 0. So this is a 0. This is a 0. 3 times f of 0 into f of 0. F of 0 plus f of 0, 2 times f of 0. This is 3 times f of 0 whole square. F of 0 into, see here, it is not 0. This is f of 0. F of 0 may be a real number, a finite value. It cannot be 0 unless we don't know what is the function. Okay, right. So since f of 0 is not equal to 0, f of 0 is not equal to 0, we can cancel f of 0 on both sides. Therefore, 2 is equal to 3 times f of 0. Understand this. So this is equal to, so 3 times f of 0, right, we got here. 3 times f of 0 value is 2. 3 times f of 0 value is 2. Therefore, f of y plus f of minus y is equal to 3 times f of 0 value is 2. So this is a 2 times f of y. Okay, now take that f of y to left hand side. F of minus y is equal to f of y, right? Is it not that even functions, or it is in the y NASA, right? We can convert into x, no problem. F of minus x is equal to f of x. It gives f of x is an even function. Okay, now, right? So very, very easy problem. This is the first thing what I did is, whenever he is asked f of x is even function, that we have to prove that is f of minus x is equal to f of x, that we have to prove. So for that, how we will get, if you put y is equal to 0, what happens? So you may get idea, sir, how we will get x is equal to 0, sir. If you put y is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. If you y is equal to 0, what happens? This is f of x, 3 times f of x into f of 0. We won't get f of minus x, we won't get f of minus x. So to get minus y or minus x, the only thing is optional is x is equal to 0. That means f of y, f of minus y we got. We have to get f of 0. How to get f of 0? Put x is equal to y is equal to 0. Automatically you will get f of 0 value. Okay, na? So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class with some more problems from functions, and tomorrow's class I will stand before you. So until then, all the best.